Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's an exciting day because today we've got this to unbox. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is the Canon 5D. Yes, the 5D. This is gonna be an insanely big upgrade to what I currently have, the 6D. Well, insanely. It's quite a big deal for me. It's supposed to shoot 4K, which the 6D doesn't. So towards the end of the video, we're going to take a look at the video test. So stay tuned for that. Now let's get into the unboxing. I would normally unbox this at my unboxing station, but the box is just way too big for the setup. So we're gonna have to do it here. But let's just start into it. Not spend a lot of time unboxing it because I really want to test out the video compared to the 6D. So on top we just got a CD, an instruction manual, that's it. Yeah, the one missing part in this unboxing is the lens, which I already took out. But either way, this is the Canon 5D Mark IV with the lens here. Yeah, so it's with this lens, so that's basically all this is. Inside the box, we've got a charger, as well as the charging cord right over here, and another cord. Oh, because they shipped it to Hong Kong, so they gave me a UK plug and an American plug. That's nice. Then this was a set, so I got kind of this cleaning thingy. And then of course you've got your battery. And so that's pretty much the whole first section. My hair is doing a weird thing today. That's the first section. What's this? Oh, that's another cable. Oh, that's the HDMI cable and the thing for your computer. Wow, so that's all the cables right there. And then just beneath here, we've got the actual camera. So of course, we've got our strap right over here, which is also important. So we've got that as well as the camera right over here. So this is the camera. This is pretty much all that it is. So this is the body. Of course, there's some major differences compared to the 6D. There's going to be a lot of videos about the 5D and the 6D and some additional photography things. So the main difference here, it doesn't have a flip screen anymore, which will be quite annoying. But now I've got the handy display up there so that I can bypass the whole situation here. So of course this does 4K video at 30 frames per second compared to the 6D doing maximum 1080 at 50. So that's quite an improvement going to 4K. And then additionally, the one change you have is that you can use an FX or XD card, you know, one of those big SD cards. So you can use that as well as an SD card. So you can put two cards in there for your files to go. Of course, then you've got your battery hatch down here where you put your battery. The good thing is with the batteries is that they're LPE6, something like that, which means they're compatible with the 6D, the 80D, the 5D, and that's all I know. But that's great because I don't have to change batteries. All of them support the same batteries. So then of course on the side, you've got your input for the flash. You've got HDMI, which is important if you want to plug in an external display. And then you've got your USB port, as well as your mic and headphone port. And then of course your jack on top and the wheel, and that's it. So that's great. That's pretty much everything that's important on the body. Now let's go take a look at the camera quality. All right, so I'm holding the 5D right over here. This is what it is. I'm just gonna walk around the office a little bit. I'm of course holding it in my hand, but now if I go back to my set, we can see on the 6D. So this is the 6D, this is how it looks on 1080p, 50 frames per second, and this is how it looks on the 5D Mark IV at 4K 30 frames per second. Now, of course, I don't see what I'm doing, so let me know in the comments down below how it looks. Does it look better? Is there a big difference? Or is it about the same? Let me know. Well, this is the end of the video, so if you enjoyed, then please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video, especially in the coming weeks about this camera. Also, if you forgot to watch my previous video, then please click the card shown up here. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.